Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to change Netflix password if you forgot it. So first, you need to go to your Google Chrome and search for netflix.com. Then, open the link. If you're forgetting your Netflix password and you're locked out of your account, you'll need to reset it. Open the Netflix login page and select the Need Help or Help Center. Link below the Sign In button. Scroll down and go to Can't Watch. How to change your Netflix password. Now, choose here Reset your password by text messages. Now, select the first one. Select email or text message. Enter the corresponding information and click or tap the Email Me button. Netflix will send you a message containing instructions on how to reset your password and choose a new one to regain access to your account. If you change the email address or phone number you used to sign up with Netflix, click or tap I can't remember my email address or phone number. Netflix will then ask you for your name and credit or debit card number, so you can reset your password. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.